Thank you for always making sure that our school is spotless in the morning, and they're always so nice and kind.
Guys, your work does not go unrecognized. As you'll probably hear throughout this whole entire video, you guys are appreciated. You may not feel it every day, but just know we all respect you and what you do.
Our building is so clean every day for our kids, and that alone helps my job be so much easier when kids have a great place to go to school and teachers have a great place to work.
I just want to thank you all for all that you do. You're valued and appreciated more than you know by everyone in our community. Our building would be a mess, literally, without you.
Thank you so much for just keeping the culture up here. It's so nice that whenever you need help, there's always someone around the corner who can help you.
I want to give a big shout out to our custodian crew. Not only do they keep our buildings clean and comfortable, but they're always there to help us. We cannot run our school system without them.
So day to day, the custodians, they're the machine that makes this work. Without them, we would literally be falling apart. This building would be in shambles.
I couldn't do my job without them. I need my custodian. Everything that my job requires needs his help.
Thank you for keeping our school clean.
Appreciate each and every one of them to do their job and come to work with that great attitude. We can't do it without you. We're a team all together, so for us it's a win-win, and we appreciate you very much.
They make a difference to do the work that keeps our building in ship shape. They keep it clean, they keep it safe, and they do it with a smile on their face.
There is no way a school can operate and run without this team. They keep the schools sparkling, clean, and ready to go for our students so that they can be successful during the day.
Happy Custodian Maintenance Week.
Happy Custodial Maintenance Appreciation Week.
Happy Custodian Maintenance Appreciation Week.
Happy Custodial and Maintenance Workers Week, and we truly appreciate all of you and everything that you do for our buildings.
Thank you for all you do.